Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to take a look at this Sur Ron 2.0 leaked video. Right off the bat you can tell that this is probably legit because the bike is wrapped in that camouflage pattern that a lot of new cars have when they're in their testing phase. The front fork looks like it's bigger and wider, which is good because I constantly bottom mine out when I hit jumps that are too big. The top unit all up here looks a lot more expensive and a lot more heavy duty than the old one, with extra features that the old one doesn't have. Another reason why this is probably real is you can see the Sur Ron logo right there on the dashboard. So this is probably 100% legit. All that looks nice. The extended seat is really cool. You can throw another rider on the back there. Looks like a rear shock is more powerful than the old one. The integrated mud flap is cool. The rear tire looks a lot the same. Here you can see a lot of the same architecture as the other one, which is another reason why this is probably real. The battery inside there with a heavier duty frame and a heavier duty motor as well. What do you guys think about this bike? Are you gonna buy it? All right, that's it for today. See you guys later.